Hi guys, welcome to Computertechvideo. Today I'm going to show you a few basic commands in Kali Linux, and that these commands can also be used on any Linux or Unix platform. So the first one is how to change directory. So if I go cd, go var, so you can see it has changed the directory now. And to the list, other command I'm going to show is ls, which is list. So to see all the components under this folder or directory, we'll just simply type in ls. It will show you all the other components of this directory. Other one you can use to list more information is this ls space dash l. It will show you all the permissions, who is the owner, and when it was created. Okay. Now, other command you can use to look at the hidden files is this. So ls space /la. So this will show you all the hidden files. Like if you can see, there is no presence of these files here in by use of this command, but now you can see there's other files too. Okay. Now, if you want to go to any other directory, let's say you want to go to backups, which is back cd space backups. Okay. Let's see if you want to go to this folder in backups, we will go cd/var backups. Okay. And now you can see you are in this particular folder. Now you can list the contents. There is no contents in that. Now if you want to get one step back, so if you want to go to the var directory, not into var/backup, so you'll go cd space .. and now you're back in var directory. Okay. Now the other thing, I'll show you guys how to find out which directory you're working in. So if I go cd, now if we don't know we are not in a var sort of directory, we can type in to find out which directory we are in. We will go pwd, which is present working directory, and press this. Now it is telling us we are in a root directory. Now to make things simple, I'll change this to home. Okay, just to find out if we are in home directory, we'll again type out pwd. So it's home directory. Okay. And hey guys, please like, subscribe. I will be doing more tutorials on Kali Linux. I'm going to start with some of the basic terminologies, then I'll go into how to exploit computers. But in saying that, all these videos are only for learning purposes. Alright, thanks, have a good one.